Cool. I don't know what you can see. Okay, I see all the way there. The bench. Up to about there. Okay, that's pretty good. Cool. Yeah, so I don't really have time to do anything else right now. I'm going to the grocery store today. I'm working, but you'll be happy to know I texted them and told them it's going to be my last day, so no more of that minimum wage bullshit, but still looking for a second job or, you know, let's get my business going. Repair business or craft business, sell things online. One thing I'd really like to do is buy old tools and fix them up. You know, make videos. There's some people that already do that. This is the nail puller I got from the antique store, which is pretty cool. I've always wanted one of these. This is not in the best shape. The rust is fine, but somebody is gone in there and tried to fix that. New jumbo something. It's all been welded, so this has probably been cracked, and then someone come in here and weld it back together, but you know, still works fine. I can try to, I can demonstrate how this works. The new jumbo something or other, the Bridgeport hardware something, I imagine. Patented January 9th, 1906. Made in USA. And so the way that this would work is we would have a nail. Let's get an offending nail here. This one's a little bit too intense, but it might work. Well, I don't know, this is what I got. I really don't want to nail into this bench. I guess let's fucking try it. So the way this is supposed to work, your nail's in there flush. You fucked it up, how the fuck are you gonna get it out? That ain't going anything. Ow. Oh, something on there. Okay, so set your jaws open over the nail like that. Use this ram to hopefully get underneath it. Pull back like that. That should grab it. Sweet. That actually worked a lot better than I thought. So, yeah. That's that.